Good morning, students. In this class, we will discuss about the loss of biodiversity, deforestation, okay, harmful reasons for deforestation, and the fourth one, that is consequences of deforestation. So, first of all, loss of biodiversity, the loss of plants and animals from the earth, loss of biodiversity is known as loss of biodiversity. Biodiversity, you know well, includes both plants and animals. And this loss of biodiversity is done due to natural phenomena, and second is due to the human activities. Natural phenomena includes loss of biodiversity, that is flood, that is heavy rain, or you can say flood, earthquake, okay, volcanic eruptions, etc. Human activities such as urbanization. Second one, you can see industrialization, and third one, you can see agriculture. These are the things done by the humans that cause loss of biodiversity. Okay. Now let us see the second topic, that is deforestation. What is deforestation? Okay. The excessive cutting down of trees on large scale. Deforestation. The excessive cutting down of trees on large scale is known as deforestation. Once again, what is deforestation? The excessive cutting down of trees on a large scale is called deforestation. So once again, what is deforestation? So you can see on board, the excessive cutting down of trees on a large scale is known as deforestation. Now let us see the reasons for deforestation. There are certain reasons that are responsible for deforestation. Okay. The first reason is rapid increasing population. First reason, reasons for deforestation. The reasons for deforestation. The reasons of deforestation. The first reason is rapid increasing population. Rapid can say fast. Rapid increasing population. When more and more population increasing, so each and every person required shelter for the life. Okay, and also required agriculture. Place for agriculture, okay, and industries also, that will cause the deforestation. Second one, industrialization. Industrialization also cause the deforestation, because in a particular place, suppose that a number of trees are present, and on that place people want to settle a particular factory. So it is only possible when that trees will remove. So this is industrialization. That industrialization also causes the deforestation. Okay. Third one is mining activities. Mining activities also responsible for deforestation. Fourth one, that is, you can say, overgrazing by cattle. When the cattle graze plants more than normal level, this is known as overgrazing also causes the deforestation, because the upper layer will be removed. And last one, that is natural phenomena. Some natural phenomena also responsible for deforestation, such as flood, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, etc. So what are the Reasons for deforestation. So first one is, or you can say causes of deforestation. First one, rapid increasing population. Second one, industrialization. Third one, mining activities. Fourth one, overgrazing. And last one, natural phenomena such as flood. Okay, flood, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, etc. that causes the deforestation. Okay, so once again, what is deforestation? The excessive cutting down of trees on the large scale is known as deforestation, and deforestation is harmful for the environment, or you can say for the earth. Let us see consequences or results of deforestation, or you can say effects of deforestation. Consequences of deforestation. What are the consequences of deforestation? Consequences of deforestation. Consequences of deforestation. So first consequences of deforestation. First one, desertification. Desertification. When huge amount of trees removed on a particular area, or you can say from the forest, the area change into desert. That is known as desertification. That is given loss of trees to. Okay, so when a huge amount of trees removed from the fertile part, and after removing these trees, this area converted into desert. This phenomenon is known as desertification. So first one, when huge amount of trees removed, it will cause harmful effects. This phenomenon is known as desertification. Second one, in decreasing the concentration of oxygen. Decreasing the concentration of, you can say concentration, no need to write, decreasing the amount of oxygen and increasing amount of carbon dioxide. Increasing amount of carbon dioxide. How? When huge plants will remove, plants always absorb or take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. When huge amount of trees will remove, the concentration of carbon dioxide will increase, because plants unable to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and there is less photosynthesis. As a result, concentration of oxygen decreases and level of carbon dioxide increases. That also cause harmful effects. Okay, next harmful effects of the next one, transpiration. Transpiration. There is less transpiration. Okay, so you can see transpiration also. The trees less transpiration. These are leads to low level of transpiration. When less number of trees present, the process of transpiration will reduce, and there is a less rain, or you can say rain or precipitation, because when less amount of vapor present in the atmosphere, there is less chances of rain. That means deforestation also causes the reduce in the rain, because what is transpiration? The process by which water is changed into vapor and transfer to the environment is known as transpiration, and this water losses from the various parts of the plants, especially leaf. When plants will reduce, the process of transpiration will reduce, and there is less chances of rain and precipitation. Okay, next one, you can see next one, when huge amount of trees will cut, that these trees provide shelter to the various animals like monkeys and various types of animals that are found in the forest. So shelter will also disturb for the animals. And next one, when huge amount of trees, a number of trees are the source of medicines, timbers. Okay, so source of medicine, timbers, fruits, vegetables also will reduce. Source of fruits, vegetable, timbers, medicines also reduced. These are the consequences of deforestation. First one, desertification. When a fertile layer of soil will removed, plant will removed, so soil also become infertile and there is a formation of desert. This is known as desertification. Second one, decreasing the amount of oxygen and increasing carbon dioxide, because during photosynthesis plants always absorb carbon dioxide. Because plants always require carbon dioxide, okay, and for photosynthesis. But when this process will taste this deforestation, plants unable to absorb carbon dioxide, okay, so level of oxygen decreases and carbon dioxide increases, because the process of photosynthesis reduced. Plants always absorb carbon dioxide by during photosynthesis. Third, transpiration means the loss of water in the form of vapor from the various aerial parts of the plant, known as transpiration. When trees will reduce, the level of transpiration will reduce and there is less rain or precipitation. So deforestation also affects the phenomenon of rain or you can say precipitation. Next one, shelter. Forests and trees are the best shelter for the animals that are found on the trees. When deforestation will take place, the shelter of the animal will also disturb. And when last one, there is less sources of the medicines, fruits, vegetables, and okay. So these are the consequences of the deforestation. In the next class, we will discuss about climatic changes and hunting of animals and conservation of biodiversity. So this is all about today. We discussed about, first one is loss of biodiversity completed. Loss of biodiversity caused due to the natural phenomena and human activities. In natural phenomena may be earthquake, heavy rain, flood, etc. Volcanic eruption. Human activities like industrialization, urbanization, etc. Next one, what is deforestation? The excessive cutting down of trees on a large scale is known as deforestation. Okay, so today we have discussed about also the reasons of deforestation, okay, causes of deforestation, and the you can say the consequences, or you can say the results of deforestation. So deforestation is harmful to our environment and earth. So okay, in the next class we will discuss about the climatic change, hunting of animals, and conservation of biodiversity. Conservation means protection of biodiversity. Thank you.